Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to do a screen grab of our desktop and then send that image to our server using FTP. Now, first I'm going to import Pi screenshot. I already installed this module on my system. You can see my other video how to install it and use. And now I'm going to set a variable image and use image grabs method grab to grab the image, and then I'm going to save that image by using image dot save, and that name will be screen dot png. And now I have a screenshot of my desktop. Then I'm going to upload it to our server by using FTP. I will also save this. I will name it grab ftp.py. And to use FTP, I will import ftp lib, and then I'm going to start a new session with the remote server, passing in the server name, user, and the password for your FTP server. And then I will name it session, and then use ftp lib.ftp and pass in your server.com, and then your username and your password for your FTP account. And then I'm going to open the file and I will name it F, and then use open function and pass in the name of our file that we just saved over here. That will be screen.png. Open in a read binary mode. Now we get our file over here, and now I'm going to send the file by using session dot stor binary, and then the command is stor, and then our image name, that is screen.png, and then our file, that is my f, and then close the file and FTP session after uploading it. So I'm going to use f dot close, and then to exit the session need to call session dot quit and just save it. So this is very simple code. You can just grab a screenshot of your desktop and then connect with your FTP server and upload that image to your FTP server and then close the connection. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.